Ananya is 7th semester from Computer Science and Engineering Data Science. Getting placed at Toyota Financial Service had truly been a dream come true. Our department and faculties didn't just focus on textbooks. They pushed us into hackathons, live projects, competitions, and real-world problem solving, which shapes the way I think and work. The CDC team played a huge role by preparing us with mock interviews, aptitude sessions, communication training, and overall placement guidance that boosted my confidence. To my juniors, trust your faculty, make the most use of CDC support, participate in every event, grab every opportunity to learn. Real-world exposure is what truly sets you apart. I'm grateful for the journey and excited for what comes next. Thank you.